In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design stickers in Canva. Stickers are a fun and creative way to express yourself, whether you're using them for personal projects, your business, or just for fun. Canva is a versatile tool that makes the design process easy and intuitive, and by the end of this video, you'll have your very own customized sticker design. So let's get started. First, open Canva and head to your dashboard. If you're just starting out or need a refresher, this is the main hub where all of your existing projects and templates are stored. To commence a new design, you'll need to click on either Create or Recent Designs. This will help you access a variety of templates or start fresh with a blank canvas. Remember, the key here is to make something that resonates with your style or brand identity. Now, click on Create. This action will open a new area filled with options for design templates and canvases of different sizes. You'll want to choose a format that best suits your sticker needs. While there are specific dimensions for stickers, Canva's flexibility allows you to choose a size that feels just right, be it small for subtle flair or large for bold statements. Once you're in the creation space, it's time to add some visual elements. Click on Elements found on the side panel. Here's where you can search for images, shapes, lines, and more to include in your sticker design. Simply type in relevant keywords and browse through Canva's vast library of elements. The tools here are excellent for adding personality and detail to your sticker. Adding text is a crucial part of sticker design, especially if you're crafting something with a message. Click on Text in the side panel to explore various font styles. Whether you prefer something bold and eye-catching or subtle and elegant, there is an abundant selection to choose from. Drag and drop the text onto your canvas. Play with different font combinations, sizes, and colors to see what best fits your design vision. Now that you have all your desired elements in text, it's time to adjust them accordingly. Resize and position each part of the design by clicking and dragging them across the canvas. This is your opportunity to fine-tune the layout, ensuring everything is aligned and proportionate. Pay attention to balance and spacing, as this will affect the final look of your sticker. There you have it. A step-by-step guide to designing stickers in Canva. With practice, you'll find your rhythm and style, creating unique and personalized stickers that speak volumes. Keep experimenting with different designs, colors, and text until you find what's right for you. Thanks for joining, and happy designing!